mountain man, but call me Larry the Log Roller.
Where'd he done go?
No!
Oh, he's right here! Where is he now?
No. I believe you'll fit for what I want.
What do ye want from us now?
Meet us at the known location.
Boys know what you're getting into?
Oh, sir.
No, sir. Huh. Neither do I, but we'll go out and find out.
Where are we?
We're here. Oh, oh.
Where have ye lead us to?
So what is the Muffler of Life? Well, the Muffler of Life started long ago, back when great Grammy Eminem decided to build the Muffler of Life. She wanted everyone to feel good in fact that they just pass out. I'll show you. It's safe, I promise. It makes it feel good. Muffler of Life is a wondrous drug.
Larry!
Larry!
What happened?
Larry! Hot damn, that was some good muffler! What happened, Larry? I smoked a doobie. Go ahead, boys, try something first.
Hey, Holmes, what you doing?